Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and this one the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9055. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double O, here one, there O, 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. And I like this one. This one is very fast to solve. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. For today, the jigsaw Sudoku. This one has 9 printed digits. Looking forward for solving this one. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.